My mama called, seen you on TV, sunset shit done changed.
So I didn't ask.
Yeah.
They don't see it, sweet.
You see that?
That's it.
Wait. Okay. Wait.
Head north,
This
then
still
turn right.
15 minutes. Okay, move that because I still need to.
Look at that.
What you want to see? Hello.
A+.
So right now we on our way to Home Foods, y'all.
Is that if you still waking up every day, it's cause God ain't through with you. See, the moment God through with you, you just ain't waking up no more. So behind every moment of adversity, there's a lesson and a blessing. You just got to hang in there to see what it is. Like COVID for me has been a blessing because I live my life in the expectation that God is doing great things all the time, even in the midst of trial. I just know that I'm gonna come out because of my track record. See, your track, all you gotta do is look at your life. Y'all be tripping sometimes. Sometimes you trip yourself out.
So y'all, this what I get. I love the Simple Meals brand. Oh my God, they got cupcakes, cookies. I mean, what you mean? So hello guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Thursday, September 14th, and I washed my hair this morning and prepped my new straight U-part wig you guys will see in a moment. So I'm gonna be taking some content this week and going to a fashion show here where I live. I'm trying to start to get out a little bit more and do things I want to really do. So I've just been looking for maybe like new restaurants, certain events, festivals that I know I would enjoy. My hair for that. Y'all know who I've been watching, who I really like? I love Peach McIntyre. I just love Peach. And she always calling herself ghetto, but this lady's so smart. She is just too smart. Right now, she's going through some stuff with her husband. We always going through stuff with me and child, but I just like her. She's such a good mom. Even with all this going on, her social media just got taken. Well, her TikTok, I mean, she got it back, but she was going through it for about a week. So, y'all, I'm just doing my hair. I'm finna go get my daughter and come back and start getting ready. I know what I'm wearing, so, but I haven't tried it on still. I just hope it's still, the vision comes in my head. And I've been waiting for something from Amazon, and I don't even think it's gonna be here in time, and I needed it to be here today. So child, I'm sending that back and getting my money back. Oh, y'all, I am downtown right now, and this is a lot, okay? I'm talking about a lot, y'all. Hey, I gotta make sure I lock my car door. I don't want to bring my bag, but should I bring it?
No, if you bring this purse.
I got this. I'm talking about the one with the stuff it had.
What is in there?
Nothing.
So then what you bringing it for?
Okay, come on. So y'all look. We trying to find somewhere to post pictures because we were supposed to go to the fashion show. I told y'all, but that didn't happen. So, oh, is it a lot of people out here? A lot of people. So they performing. Where should we take a picture? Right here? Where do you want to go? I'm okay right here on the corner for a few flicks.
This is cute right here, actually. Okay, give me a phone. Cause right here, like just right here, like in front of the light, that's cute.
Facing this way, in front of this long thing.
I think it'd be cute like that, but it's probably gonna look ugly.
So still this way. Okay, y'all, wait. I got to try to sit y'all. Not too far now, cause people.
Yeah.
It's a lot going on. Honestly.
Give me her hand up. What you mean? You look so cute.
In my purse, girl? Okay, but I don't want this on.
Okay, we didn't take it off.
This way. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of day 1 of photos because these gotta last us for 30 days.
Hello? Hi, Mama. What kind of food y'all want? We buy Bayshore.
Y'all buy Bayshore? What's
Yeah.
over there?
Target.
And like Burger King, McDonald's, that type of stuff, I think.
Oh, ain't no food trucks no more?
Food truck?
No.
What she talking about a food truck?
I just want something good to eat.
Some good.
Bring me and Daddy something good to eat. I don't care whatever it is. You know what we like to
Y'all
chicken.
from where at this time of night? Y'all, listen. Tomorrow is gonna be another adventure. This was a mini adventure, but tomorrow and Sunday.
Oh yeah, don't you be off on Sundays?
Yep, so I can sleep. Okay, y'all, we really don't be vlogging in Target, but I think we can do it today because it ain't. Everybody following me, parking right here. Y'all, we is done up in Target, okay?
It's been so long since I've been in here.
How?
What you mean?
We come every week, how?
Girl, you come every week?
Okay, y'all, come on, we finna go. Oh, y'all, look. They so cute. See, that's the Castle wardrobe. They're gonna dress us. She don't want to spend $8.
I don't.
So hello guys, today is day 2 of fashion week in my city. And I'm just treating this time because I live in a small city, but I just felt yesterday, I felt so in my element, even though I had regular work yesterday. I just felt so good getting dressed and doing like what I love to do. Take photos, create content, do it with my sister, which I always like just love. I'll let y'all watch me get ready today. I did take photos and videos from yesterday, so I will insert that, or you would have probably already seen it. And I'm about to watch Ghost and get ready.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no more for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh.
Don't say nothing, that's $2. That's $3.
Girl, I love you.
So we back outside, y'all. And y'all know who I'm with. Look. Okay, y'all, I don't know if this is our last day this week. I want to go Sunday too and wear my floral dress that mama took my slip under.
I have no idea what I'm wearing Sunday. Probably got one outfit.
What? It's gonna be
Sweater
cold.
with the
Bro.
it's a flop. But the sweater with the tan pants.
I be really knowing what I'ma wear. She don't. Like, she changed every 2 seconds. I'm talking about to the last drop. She was getting her hair done at the last drop.
Very much was.
So it's not dry?
It is dry.
Oh.
I put it under the heater.
So right now,
under the dryer.
y'all, we waiting on the show and they taking a long time, but
Yeah.
you know, it's on, you know,
Did you record it? Did you tell about the
you know we on CP time, so you know. So today, you know, he ran directly to my sister because look how she looked. I'm not gonna get to her feet because y'all know what happened yesterday. We're not gonna go there. But yes, he came up to my sister. I am gonna put it in a video. I'm gonna make her send me the content that I've recorded so I can put it in a video of him taking pictures of her. And hopefully he get them back to us quick, but they're free, so we can't rush them. But hopefully, you know, he get them to us in a... I'm posting this on Sunday, y'all, so yeah. But we'll be back, y'all, because I can't really give y'all the tea because I'm still excited. But yeah, I'll be back. Paradise in your eyes, but I'm not yours and you're not mine. Paradise in your eyes, but I'm not yours and you're not mine. This girl, this one. Y'all, so we at the fashion show still. We in this little area over here. But one thing about it, I need a piece of chicken. I just need one piece of chicken, baby. Yes, Dicey showed me that. Hilarious.
It looked funny. Oh my God, you saw when he fell out the chair?
Yes, and that was literally on accident.
Girl. You saw when he was cooking?
No.
In the middle of the room.
Oh yeah, I wonder if his security guard still be there, like outside the room. That's why can't nobody else be in there. Hey.
You gotta have the courage. Do you have the courage to act outwardly on what you see inwardly? Or will you die a dreamer? Will you die on the verge and on the edge and in the land of coulda, woulda, and shoulda? Do you have the courage? I'm going to drop something on you. It takes courage to be successful. It is far easier not to be successful. Misery will always have company. Success breeds contempt. If you don't want to make waves, be mediocre. Be normal and fit in. And if you're more concerned about people than you are God, then neutralize everything He put in you. Just fit in with everybody else. dress like them, walk like them, act like them, eat like them, go where they go, think like they think, do what they do. And once you've neutralized your uniqueness, you don't need courage. It takes courage to be different. It takes courage to go where you've never gone before. For some of you, it took courage to come to this conference. It takes courage to get you outside of the bar. It takes courage to be successful. It takes courage to win. People don't talk about people that don't win. If you win, they're going to talk about you. Do you have the courage to stand there though the storms keep raging and the people get to talking and you stand there and say, I've come too far to turn around? Do you